While the world is focused on AI chatbots that write emails, generate images, and answer questions, one artificial intelligence system could have a much bigger impact on humanity. Not because it can hold a conversation, but because it may fundamentally change how we discover new medicines. It's called AlphaFold 3, and many scientists consider it one of the most important AI breakthroughs of this decade. Developed by Google DeepMind in collaboration with Isomorphic Labs, AlphaFold 3 isn't designed for consumers. It isn't competing with ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. Instead, it's tackling one of biology's greatest challenges, understanding how the molecules of life interact with each other. To understand why this matters, let's start with proteins. Proteins are often called the building blocks of life, but they're much more than that. They act as tiny molecular machines inside every living cell. They transport oxygen, repair damaged tissue, fight infections, send signals through the nervous system, and control thousands of biological processes that keep us alive. But here's the challenge. A protein's function depends entirely on its three-dimensional shape. For decades, determining that shape required years of laboratory work, expensive equipment, and countless experiments. It was one of the biggest bottlenecks in modern biology. That changed when DeepMind introduced AlphaFold, an AI system capable of predicting protein structures with remarkable accuracy. Scientists around the world quickly adopted it, dramatically accelerating biological research. Now comes AlphaFold 3, and it's a much bigger leap. Instead of predicting only the shape of individual proteins, AlphaFold 3 can model how proteins interact with DNA, RNA, antibodies, ions, and even small drug molecules. In other words, it doesn't just look at one piece of the puzzle, it begins to simulate the complex conversations happening inside living cells. This is incredibly important for medicine. Every new drug must bind to a specific biological target. Finding the right molecule has traditionally meant testing millions of chemical compounds through slow and expensive laboratory experiments. It can take more than a decade and billions of dollars to develop a single successful medicine. AlphaFold 3 changes the starting point. Researchers can now predict many molecular interactions on a computer before stepping into the laboratory. Instead of searching blindly, scientists can focus on the most promising candidates first. That could save years of research and significantly reduce development costs. Of course, it's important to separate promise from reality. AlphaFold 3 does not invent miracle drugs by itself. Every prediction still needs to be validated through laboratory experiments, animal studies, clinical trials, and strict regulatory approval. Human scientists remain at the center of the discovery process. But by eliminating much of the early trial and error, AI can become an incredibly powerful research partner. The implications extend far beyond pharmaceuticals. Faster molecular modeling could accelerate research into cancer, Alzheimer's disease, rare genetic disorders, antibiotic resistance, and personalized medicine tailored to each patient's biology. And this isn't just a research project anymore. Isomorphic Labs is already working with major pharmaceutical companies to apply AlphaFold technology to real-world drug discovery. That means this AI is moving from academic laboratories into the pharmaceutical industry, where its predictions could eventually influence the medicines of the future. For years, artificial intelligence has been measured by how well it writes, draws, or chats, but the next chapter of AI may be judged by something far more meaningful: how many lives it helps save. Years from now, people may remember AlphaFold 3 not as another AI model, but as the moment artificial intelligence became a genuine scientific collaborator. The future of AI isn't only about smarter conversations. It may be about helping humanity understand life itself and building the medicines that could change millions of lives.